All right, guys, so we got an awesome product here from LUDOS, and I'm going to tell you why the sound of freedom is something that you need in your life. So these are some new headphones, wired headphones. I don't know about you, but if you're looking to change the way you listen to music, not be always tied to some type of charging device, then these LUDOS headphones may be what you exactly need in your life. So taking a look, you got all the details on them. They come in this nice tin case here. Cable length is 1.2 meters. Really perfect. Be able to put in your ear and then drop down, obviously, into your pocket or whatever you have. Let's go ahead and crack this case here. You got a nice little thank you note right in the top. I do like that touch. And then it does show they have a 5-year warranty. In here, you also get a bag. Check out that bag right there. This thing is sweet. So you're able to make sure this stuff is taken care of so you're not having any issues with it. And you can keep it separate from all the other items because it is corded. Now, moving on a little bit further, go ahead and check out the actual unit itself. So we have right here, these are the headphones. You have the jack on the end. It's a 3.5mm jack. And then this does have your sound controls as well right here. So let's go ahead and open it up all the way so we can see what we are working with. See if we can get this piece off here. There we go. Boom. All right. So like I said, 1.5 meters, I believe is what I said on that. So really nice thicker cord. I'm definitely digging that. And then I like that it has a right angle side to the 3.5mm jack. That is super unique. So like for instance, on my computer right here, I can go ahead and plug right into it without any issues. Boom. And being that it is a right jack, I don't have to worry about anything else when it comes to it sticking out the side. It kind of keeps a super low profile. Now on here, you can see the headphones itself. They look like your standard headphones. They got a little more sleek design, some cutout features with regards to it. You have two little bass spots and then your regular spot right here when it comes to the sound. And let's see how they fit in the ear. Let's get this untangled right here. Okay. So as far as how they fit in the ear, boom, just like that. That is nice. Now you do have on the bottom here, I don't know about you, so sometimes I want to cinch this up so it keeps it nice and tight. So I'm not having this dangle around anywhere, whether I'm putting it through my shirt, if I'm wearing it in my pocket, whatever it might be. You also have the ability to switch and make changes to the sound here. So that is important. You're able to do a cord right here and you're able to actually make some adjustments, make changes. So that is really nice right here on this unit. I don't know if you can see that really well. See if I can get this a little bit closer. So it is like your play pause button right there, which I'm definitely digging that at the end of the day. Guys, this is really nice. High quality material, easy. You have some extra padding right here when it comes to this, so there's not going to just like break or be bending too much. I'm digging that. And then over here, definitely checking out the other side. I'm loving the right angle aspect. And you notice that they built it so that it has a little bit of give. So you're not going to run into this breaking, which is atypical for other name brand headphones like these. So guys, at the end of the day, keep it simple. Get yourself some wired headphones. You will not regret this. This is really awesome. Check it out.